Hey guys, Josh at Vunetrix here. Today we're going to look at how Vunetrix monitors virtual machines. So if you're using VMware or Pivot 3, we can actually monitor your VMware stack or your Pivot 3 stack to look at how your virtual machines are operating. So let's just take a look at review results here, which I'm actually in the Vunetrix appliance. So I'm going to scroll down. You can see that I already have the VMware stack built, but let's just show you how to discover it, and then I'll talk a little bit about what we're looking at. So I'm going to go add device. So from here, I'm going to add it. You pick where you want it. I'm going to add it to my video server group. I hit continue. I'm just going to call it test VM. Put in the name of the VMware host. So that for me, that's 192.168.15.40. I'm going to do automatic device identification detailed. So this is going to give as much detail as possible. So we can always prune back if we don't want the information that comes across. So here's the real critical part. We got to make sure that we put in the credentials for this particular account. So it's the login of your VMware host server, because that's how we get access to be able to monitor VMware SOAP protocol. So let me put the password in here. Hit continue. So that'll start building that. It'll start the auto discovery process right here, test VM. But we already have it built, so let's take a look at it. So here I have my VMware stack. Essentially what I'm doing is I'm pinging it. The VMware stack's online. And then there's every single virtual machine that's in there is live, and I can see it from here. So I have, my Apollo server, Cisco Study, engineering, whatever it may be. And then I can say, go down the line and see all my virtual machines. So let's just look at one of them as a quick snapshot. Let's look at engineering. Click on engineering. I can see that it's okay. That's the last message that it was run on here, the last scan. So let's just look at the live data. So I can take a look and see the CPU usage, the memory active, the memory usage, the disk read, those type of things. So this allows you to manage how your virtual machines are operating, and if there's been changes or if there's been different things running on it, you're able to see those trends over time. So let me show you one more thing. So this is how you manage the entire stack. We can actually run what's called our remote probe on the actual VM. So like on here, the virtual machine engineering SharePoint, that was the same VM I just showed you, but we're actually running the probe inside there. So I can actually look at the VM Ethernet adapter, the VM CPU, the VM memory of what are they using of the allocated memory from the VMware. So in a nutshell, that's how we manage virtual machines with Vunetrix. I'm Josh. Hit me up at info@vunetrix.com if you want to see more information of this in action. Thanks, guys.